Let's get you a breaking update. Union Minister Anupriya Patel of Apna Dal has raised questions over the recruitment process in UP government jobs, especially those who have been given on the basis of interviews, where she says that the reserved category vacancies were sometimes being filled with general category candidates. And the reason being cited is that no suitable reserved category candidate has been found for that post. Let me go across to Adib now, because Adib, what is the message as far as that is coming across from the minister herself? Because she seems to be also making that appeal to the UP Chief Minister.
Well, Amita, say in the letter, two-page letter which Union Minister Anupriya Patel has written, she has said that in the central government, people are getting job, even the reserve category. The aspirants of the candidates of the reserved categories, they are getting the job, but in UP they are not getting the job, and whenever they are applying for any government job, the portal is declaring them not found suitable, and then those reserved seats are being turned into general category. And she has said that many of the candidates and aspirants has reached out to her and claiming that they were suitable for that particular job, but they haven't got the job, as the portal is saying that they are not so suitable for the job. So she has written a letter to CM Yogi Adityanath asking his immediate intervention in this matter, and she has also urged that it should stop immediately, and CM himself should intervene in this matter. However, Samajwadi Party is claiming that since Samajwadi Party was talking about the PDA formula, and the PDA formula has turned out to be good, and Samajwadi Party has got so many numbers in the seat in Uttar Pradesh, they have got around 37 seats. That's why now the NDA allies are talking about the reservation, and they have come out and open.
Right, but does it also mean when it comes to the job recruitment and the process here in the case is concerned? Because the concern that is now being raised by the said minister is that reservation, the seats that have been given for the reserved category, there have been no candidates or appropriate candidates that have been found in this. How do we know exactly how this process is carried out, Adib?
Well, see, Amita, the Union Minister Anupriya Patel has alleged that the reserve candidates who applied for this job, they have been turned back, and they have been said that they are not on the portal. It is being said that they are not found suitable, and those vacant jobs are being turned into general categories. And when general a student or a candidate from a general category is coming for the job, he is getting that same job. So these are the allegations leveled by the Union Minister Anupriya Patel on the state government.
All right.
She has urged the Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath for his intervention in this
matter.
Well,
let me take that question also to Meenakshi joining in. Meenakshi, the minister there requesting the state government to take action as soon as possible, that there is no resentment that actually develops among the candidates for the categories itself, because as far as the reactions that may also have been coming in, Adib, in the meantime, also in the same letter that she has applauded the Prime Minister himself for his historic decision as well when it comes to giving the reservation to OBC students in Kendra Vidyalayas, in Navodaya Vidyalayas and others as well. Let's also listen into other reactions coming in.
बड़ा आरक्षण एक ऐसा मुद्दा है कि आरक्षण के विषय पर माननीय योगी जी अक्सर आवाज उठाते रहे, मतलब हमारे निषादों को सदन में कि इनकी दशा खराब है, ये इसके दायरे में आते हैं, और हम भी उठा उसका नतीजा कि आरक्षण का भय दिखा कर देखो 37 सीटें समाजवादी पार्टी ने कि आरक्षण खत्म हो जाएगा। तो एक आरक्षण बड़ा एक गंभीर मुद्दा है। महिलाओं को आरक्षण की जरूरत थी, लिखा गया अपर कास्ट को, तो ये निषादों के भी आरक्षण जो है, जो विसंगति वो दूर होनी चाहिए कि आखिर राष्ट्र हम संविधान के सूचीबद्ध हैं, मझवार गौड़ तरेया खरवार बेलर गौड़ पूरी 7 नाम। अगर मेरा नाम संविधान के अनुसार कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में नोटिफिकेशन हो कि हमारी गिनती 1961 में 70 लाख थी और हमारे नाम को बिना सदन में बहस के हमारे ओबीसी में डाल दिया, हमें 7,000 कर दिया। ओबीसी से भी 16 दिसंबर 2031 को 31 दिसंबर 2016 को सपा ने उसको ओबीसी से निकाल दिया। तो ये निषाद ऐसे ही लटके रहेंगे।
All right, the requests that are now coming in as far as the minister herself is concerned, she is now written to the Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath to look into the matter.